I saw this question the other day in a Facebook group, and I wonder if you have the same one too. This person asked, do I need a bookkeeper for my small business? Of course you need a bookkeeper for your small business. That's not the question you should be asking yourself. The IRS requires bookkeeping when you have a business. So the question I want you to ask you, do I need to outsource my bookkeeping or can I handle it myself? And in order to answer that, I want you to ask yourself 3 questions. But first, if you're new here, my name is Cheryl. My business partner Katrina and I help small business owners just like you put more of your revenue into your personal account. Because if you don't, what's the point of all this? So the first question I want you to ask yourself is your business currently generating less than $100,000 a year? Yes? Okay. Now ask yourself this question. Are you willing to learn how to use the accounting software, whether that's Wave or QuickBooks Online, to manage your bookkeeping? You are? Awesome. Are you willing to do it timely and not have it be a chore you do once at the end of the year? If you're willing to do it timely and you're willing to learn the program and your business is generating less than $100,000 a year, I want you to do your own bookkeeping. And that may sound weird coming from an accounting firm, but the thing is, you are smart, you are capable. For heaven's sakes, you have a business that generates revenue. You can certainly handle your bookkeeping. Simply, it's classifying your financial transactions. And if you're willing to do it, you're absolutely capable. Now, if your business is generating over 6 figures, it's very likely that your time would generate more revenue or provide more value to your business if you spent that elsewhere. The reason why we have that 6-figure threshold is when you're under 6 figures, paying an accounting firm, paying a bookkeeper, it could end up being about 15% of your revenue. And at this point in your business journey, you're already paying yourself so little. I want you to take more of the pie. And I know you're capable of doing it. Once you hit 6 figures, the cost of a bookkeeping firm is such a smaller percentage versus your overall revenue that it makes sense to outsource. And then you could do activities that would generate a greater return on time investment. So to answer your question, do you need a bookkeeper for your small business? Absolutely. Does it have to be you? That depends. It can be. And if you want more confidence in managing your own books because you haven't hit that threshold yet, we have an entire toolbox, the Money Mastery Toolbox, that will give you QuickBooks tutorials so you can master your books. It'll teach you all about pricing. It will give you plug and play calculators. It will empower you with the knowledge so you can DIY it until it makes sense to outsource. And if you're over that 6-figure mark and you're like, it's time for me to outsource, it's time for me to use my time elsewhere, we would love for you to reach out to Empowered to Profit. We would love to help support you. And with that, cheers to profit.